Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to show you how to hide a folder in a Windows computer. I am going to a folder. You can see there is a several folder. In most of the time we have to hide our important documents or files from other users. Suppose this is one of my important folder. I have several important documents here, so I want to hide this folder from other users. Now I am showing you how to do this. Just select the folder, then right click, then go to the properties. You can see under the general tab here is an option hidden. Just right click on the hidden, then click on the apply. You can see there is a two option, apply change to this folder only. That means the hide operation will be apply only to the your folder but not the subfolder or file. That means there are the some folders or file inside our hidden folder. This will not be hidden. If anyone can access anyway to this folder, the file will not be show here. So you must select the apply change to this folder, subfolder and file, so that all the file inside the hidden folder will be hidden. Then click on the OK, then OK. Now this file is hidden, but you can see this folder is still showing here, but it is blurred. That means this is the actually hidden folder, but there is some more steps to hide this folder completely. To do this, click on the view, then you can see here show or hide. Here is a tick mark here, hidden item. So the hidden items also showing here. Just untick this option. You can see our folder is completely hidden. Sometimes we have saved the folder in the quick access button. That means here you can see my YouTube folder is placed in the quick access. Some people may access your folder from here. So you have to remove the hidden folder from quick access option. Just right click here, then remove from quick access. Click on the remove from quick access. Then you can see the folder is gone. Now nobody can access to your hidden folder. As you know, this folder is here. You have to unhide this folder. Just click on the view, then show hidden items, then you can see the hidden item. And again right click on the hidden folder, then go to the properties, then untick the hidden folder, then click on the apply, then select the apply change to this folder, subfolder file, then OK, then click OK. Now you can again access your hidden folder. By this way you can hide or unhide your folder in any Windows PC. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.